Samanta Cakkavalesu Atra Gaccantu Devata Saddhammang Nirajassa Sunantu Sagga Mokkadang Dhammasavana Kalu Ayam Padanta Dhammasavana Kalu Ayam Padanta Dhammasavana Kalu Ayam Padanta Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Yo paticca samuppadam passati so dhammam passati. Yo dhammam passati so paticca samuppadam passati. Dear peaceful devotees, our Buddha was an incomparable human being which was born in this universe. He preached pure doctrine to living beings to get across this round of rebirth. Inasmuch you all are gathered to this place to hear that august doctrine, you must want to keep your body, mind and the words calm before you hearing Dhamma, and also investigation and comprehension this doctrine is able to successful his life completely. Therefore, you must want to listen this Dhamma with mindfulness. So, today I select the law of dependent origination or the Paticca as my caption. We know the law of dependent origination or the Paticca was the unique discovery of our Buddha. In the whole of existence, nothing happened without a cause. Every event, big or small, has a cause. Every cause has an effect. So, that cause-effect relationship is the foundation of our Omniscient One's teachings. So, the law applies to every entity, living or dead, to big or to small to big, and to micro level to macro level, and from individuals to communities and societies to nation. So we can see the working of this law everywhere around us. If there is terrorism or violence in the world, it means the people are having hatred for their and fear for their minds or hearts, and also governments are not mitigating the grievances of the disgruntled person, and also if there is corruption in the society, it means the people are greedy and not living a moral life. Likewise, there are number of reasons, but there is always a reason. Therefore, Paticca can also be called as the cause-effect relationship. Yo Paticca passati so dhammam passati. Yo dhammam passati so Paticca passati. One who sees this Paticca, he sees this Dhamma, and who sees this Dhamma, he sees or understands this Paticca. So when we get the meaning of Paticca, it means because of or dependent upon, and also the meaning of Samuppada is arising or origination, although the literal meaning of those terms is the dependent upon or arising or origination, and it is applied to whole causal formula which consists with the 12 interdependent causes and effects, technically called Pacchaya and Pachuppanna. Our Buddha had preached imasmin sati idam hoti, imasmin sati idam na hoti. If this is, that comes to be. From arising of this, that arise. But if this is not, that doesn't comes to be. From stopping of this, that stop. So the Paticcasamuppada is a discourse on the process of birth and death. It deals with the cause of rebirth and suffering with the view to help him to get rid of ills of life and the ignorance or the avidya of the truth of suffering, its end, its cause, its end, and the way to its end is the chief cause that sets the wheel of life in motion. And also it is not knowledge of things as they truly are, or of oneself as one really is, but and also it clouds all right understanding. But when the ignorance is turned or destroyed and turned into knowledge, all shattered, as all causality is shattered, as in the case of Buddhas and Aryas. Therefore, devotees, you must want to or get a hard effort to eradicate or shatter those defilements by doing meditation or those things and so on, and wish to will reach to the liberation. So you hear listen a small Dhamma discourse about the law of dependent origination or a Paticcasamuppada, and collect merits by hearing Dhamma. So firstly, convey those merits to deities who are protect you and our country. Then convey those merits to relatives who are passed away. So let's transfer those merits to God. Akasattha ca Bhummattha Deva Naga Mahiddhika Punyantang Anumoditva Chiran Rakkhantu Loka Sasanang. Akasattha ca Bhummattha Deva Naga Mahiddhika Punyantang Anumoditva Chiran Rakkhantu Loka Sasanang. Akasattha ca Bhummattha Deva Naga Mahiddhika Punyantang Anumoditva Chiran Rakkhantu Tvam Sada.